dark circles under his eyes.
Aggie!
What now?
It's Christmas and we should make something special.
What are we gonna make?
Maybe some glazed sugar cookies.
Glazed sugar cookies? I don't even know how to make them.
Well, when you taught me how to make the cake, I've been doing some research on cakes and cookies. I knew that Christmas was coming, so I thought we could make some glazed sugar cookies.
So you know how to do it?
I don't need this can anymore. Then let's head to the kitchen. Here we are in our kitchen. So these are the ingredients we need to make sugar cookies. The first ingredients are all-purpose flour, salt, and baking soda, and baking powder. You will also need 1 large egg, vanilla extract, some grounded sugar, which we grounded in the food processor, and some unsalted butter, which is in the fridge. It has to be very cold, guys. First, whisk together all-purpose flour. It's like a blanket. Now whisk together the baking soda, the salt, and the baking powder. Now whisk it. When she's whisking, we can crack our 1 large egg. Put it in the bowl. And put some vanilla extract with it. Start mixing. Next, we should mix the grounded sugar with the unsalted butter. So first, now let's mix it. The mixture should look like this. Some softened paste. What's the next step, Mishka? The next step is to add the egg. And start whisking. I will slowly add the flour. Now we have our dough. We split it into 2 parts. You have to put some parchment paper at the bottom of the dough. And remember, if the dough is a little sticky, put some flour. Okay, now let's spread the dough by patting it down. Just follow me with me, Aggie. Should be about this inch. Okay, now you have your second parchment paper. Put some flour on the top, just in case. You flip it on top of the dough. Ready, set, go. There we go. Now start rolling it with your rolling pin. And remember, not too thin, not too thick. This is hardcore work, man. Our dough is ready. Now we have to keep it in the refrigerator for 1.5 hours.
2 hours later.
Our dough is ready to cut. We got our cookie cutters out. I got a star cookie cutter and I got a snowflake. Make sure to preheat the oven at 300 C. Now let's cut it. Whoa, this is cool. Make sure not to cut other cookies or else your cookie won't be at a shape. Our cookies are ready to go in the oven. Mishka, let's put them in the oven. Okay. Let me help you with that. Open up the oven, please. Be careful, the oven is very hot. You might need a pan for this. In the oven they go. Let's close it and let them bake. But we have to know how many minutes we have to cook them. How many minutes, Mishka? 20 minutes. And it's baking.
20 minutes later.
Our cookies are out of the oven. Now, while they're cooling for 30 minutes, let's make our separatable glaze. You have to learn. It is spreadable glaze. Oh, sorry. Now let's make it. First, you will need powdered sugar, milk, some sour cream. I am cheese. cheese cream. Sour cream. I'm using seriously strawberry, and I'm using normal cream cheese. Now let's combine them. Okay, this is how your glaze should look like. Mine has some pink because it's some strawberries, because I love strawberries. And make sure to get all your powdered sugar in your glaze. You don't really want the powdered sugar to see anymore, so I'm just going to keep mixing. Our cookies are done cooling down. Now let's decorate. Let's put the glaze on. I'm using a back of a spoon to glaze it. Make sure to put the glaze in the middle, then spread it. Start circling and circling like a swirl. Now you can make your cookies into different shapes and sizes if you have enough dough. And you can put as many sprinkles as you want. You can put colorful sprinkles. You can put maybe you have, these different kinds of sprinkles or these normal colored sprinkles. Let's put some colorful sprinkles on. I'm using these sprinkles, and I'm using colorful butterflies. And remember, if you have leftover glaze and leftover cookies, you can put them on the oven and you can glaze them. But if you ran out of sprinkles or someone ate all the sprinkles or something, you can always use something else. Like cookies. Be creative. Like some cookies and candies. We are done decorating our cookies. Look! When you are done, please wait for the glaze to dry so that it can be yummy, terrific, crunchy glazed sugar cookies, and you can share it with your family and friends. We are done decorating our cookies. Maggie, let's eat them. Thank you for teaching me how to make glazed sugar cookies. We are going to share these with our neighbors and friends. I hope you liked our video. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Ding! See you next time. Bye!